Well, thanks for keeping it here on TV9. We're taking your questions now for veterinarian David Graff. Thanks so much for making it in today.
Right.
And let's talk first about these two little cute guys sitting on our laps.
This is Clyde and Max, and they're half brothers.
They got their Christmas sweaters on.
They're ready for the holidays.
Very cute. Well, we have Tammy on the line with a question.
Hi,
Tammy,
Tammy,
go ahead. Oh, Tammy, if you got your TV on, turn it down in the background for us if you could, and go ahead with your question. Well, we know that Tammy's question, she had two dogs. One of the dogs passed, and the dog that survived is missing.
Acting different, yeah. It's very common that when you change the environment for any reason, if you add a pet or subtract a pet, the animal will act different, absolutely. And this is more to do with the change in environment than the dog actually being able to grieve over the loss. They're not really capable of that emotion, but they do detect changes in the household. Okay. So just give them more attention and just try to give them extra time, and this will help them through that change.
Just
and
like people.
Just like people. After a few weeks to months, things will get better again. Make sure you take them out for extra walks, and so that they do their duty, because that can be a problem sometimes when they go through that.
Okay, we have a minute left. Rebecca's on the line with a question. Go ahead.
Yes, I have a yellow tabby cat with stripes. She's about 3 years old, and she keeps licking all of his hair off.
Okay. Yeah, that could be fleas. It could be a skin problem, or it just could be obsessive compulsive behavior, which a lot of cats have. So you should check with your veterinarian for that, and there could be some medicine that would help that.
Okay, and about 30 seconds to go. Do you have some quick trips? A lot of traveling going on right now, traveling with your pets.
Before you take your pet on a long car ride, get them used to riding in the car. Take them around town a few times. Get them used to the carrier. It's kind of hard on them if they haven't been on a long ride to suddenly be put into a carrier or a car. Right. So get them used to it in advance. It's really good advice this time of year.
Some great advice. Okay, veterinarian David Graff, thanks so much for being in with us today.
Happy to be here.
And coming up tomorrow, psychologist Dick Sockwell will be here to take your questions. Stay with your 24